So guys, this is question number 19 by the way. I wrote 18 by the way, sorry. So this is question number 18 and we are we are solving the question like sort an array in descending order. So previously we solved the sort an array in ascending order. Now this question is sort an array in descending order. And actually sorting an array in descending order means like arranging the element from the largest to the smallest. So here's the step explanation of how to do this in JavaScript. So the question which I'm going to solve, it is like step 1 actually I'm doing. In this step you define the input array that you wanted to sort in descending order. And step 2 I'm going to explain you about like we use the array sort method with a custom comparison function. Okay, so what happened in the step 2, like JavaScript provide an array, right? This one, an array method called sort, and that can be used to sort the element like in the array. And the sort method accept a comparison function as an argument. This function specifies how the element should be compared during the sorting process. In this case, the comparison function a comma b minus a. Okay, sort the element in descending order. It subtract a from b, which order the element from the largest to the smallest. If you wanted to the sort in descending order, you would be use a minus b, okay, instead. So come to the step 3. In the step 3, in this final step, you use console.log to the print the sorted array in descending order. When you run this code with the input array 5, 1, 4 to 8, it will show you output sorted array in descending order 8, 5, 4 to 1. This code leverage the built-in sort method and a custom comparison function to sort the array in descending order, arranging the element from the largest to the smallest. I hope this step-by-step explanation help you understand how to sort an array in descending order in JavaScript. So let's meet in question number 20. I will come with the new questions, guys.